So I make sure I've ironed it nice and flat. The more you iron your seams and your pleats, even just your fabric before cutting, the better the result will be. So just to make it easy for me, I just fold it down on itself. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold today. I get the sides quite straight. This is not rocket science, and so it is easy. Then I iron the edge. So, and I do that all the way along. Those edges are fairly straight. What I'll do to save a bit of time is that because I've measured that all the way along, I've just got to cut both together and then I'll separate them. I'm cutting all the way along, and then you've got one length. So now what I'm going to do is just cut that lengthways in half. Now I'm just holding that fabric up so it rests on the knife edge of my scissors, and then my scissors are just gliding along the edge there. I find that works for me, but whatever works for you, there's no wrong way, and that's it. So now what I'm going to do is edge those raw edges so they stop fraying. This is the way I like to do it, but you may come up with a